This is a short instructional video about going into the SharePoint site and updating your weekly schedule for those of you that are still struggling with how to do that. So I've got SharePoint pulled up here. Let me see if it's showing it. Okay, not really showing very well there, but it's, trust me when I tell you, that's the SharePoint site. And then I'm going here. I'm gonna click on page 2. See right there, and then right there. I'm clicked on that, and I'm gonna go in. I'm in. Okay. So for example, this week, oh, that got a little close. Sorry about that. For example, this week, I would like to take note of the person that maybe hasn't updated the schedule or can't seem to find it. Let's see. Let's go in here close. Let's see. Sharnetta, what are you doing this week? We don't know because the boxes are empty. So what we would do in a normal situation is that we would take the mouse right here, and then we would click on one of the boxes and then put in the box where we're going to be. So just in case wasn't clear before, that's what you do. And I know this wasn't a very hands-on tutorial for you, but I think that we can make this happen going forward. So if you have any questions, email me.